Hey everyone, welcome back to another time sensitive video. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the markets are doing today. So if you look at the market, today has also been quite a red day. The whole of the market is down today as well. Bitcoin is down by almost 4%, while Ethereum is down by almost 5%. The whole market is in red right now, with just a few coins up. Chain is one of the coins that is up by almost 4%, but the entire market is red today. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. So if you had watched yesterday's video, we marked out these key support levels, and as you can see, Bitcoin has touched our key support level and got a bounce off of it. But will this bounce be good enough to take us back into some price discovery mode? I probably don't think so. I think we're headed for a minimum of at least 2 or 3 months consolidation phase for Bitcoin, and the whole cryptocurrency market usually tends to be quite dull during the summer. So maybe we'll pick up back again after the summer. Having said that, we can definitely expect a relief rally because we've been dumping like for a long time, since basically the start of May. From the first week of May, we've just been going down, down, and down. So we can expect a relief rally, which might just be in the cards. Another thing I noticed was something in the relative strength index, and as you can see, we've been struggling to break this downward sloping resistance on the RSI, and we've got another rejection from the top, which was basically the time when we hit $41,000. We got a rejection of it and we're coming down right now. You might also argue that in a short term this was quite a nice uptrend and we are almost at the bottom of this, but yeah, we're still having trouble breaking this RSI downward sloping resistance. So hopefully we can break that and see some upward momentum in the price. This has happened in the weekend, so weekend breakouts and breakdowns are usually not very trustworthy, so we never know what's going to happen. And one more thing to be noticing is that the death cross has finally happened, so we now have a death cross, and let's see what the prices do hereafter. I've put up a separate video about death crosses explaining what's happened after a death cross in the past. Go ahead and check that video out if you haven't already. So yes, as far as Bitcoin goes, we are seeing some reversal from this level, but if not, the worst case is the $30,000 range to hold, $30,000 range to hold. Because if that doesn't hold, we might just be going down towards 25k or something. As the volume traded between 30k and 25k is also really less, we might just be seeing that. But let's just hope we get a reversal over here. Now taking a look at Ethereum actually dipped below our support zone, and we got quite a small bounce off this zone. Maybe it's just a retest, I do not know yet. Maybe we are going to retest this and pull back even more further, but this can be one area of support, this green box. Also in confluence because we have the 200-day moving average at that place, so it might be able to provide some good support. But one more thing I found out in the RSI chart for Ethereum is that we have a bullish divergence in the 4-hour time frame. As you can see over here, we have a bullish divergence, so maybe we can see some sidewards momentum action or maybe even some upward momentum action in the immediate future for Ethereum. So this is what's happening in the market today. Let's wait until we get over this weekend. It's not been a great weekend for the cryptocurrency markets. Let's see what the next week holds for us. See you in another time sensitive video. Bye bye until then.